Hi guys, so Juan has a really great idea of solving 12.5% of 18. Now, what he told me was that he does this all the time because he lives in Ontario and he figures out 12.5% when he estimates tax of 13%. So let me show you what he did. So the first thing he did was he found 10% of 18. And he told me that was pretty easy because all he does is move the decimal place over. So is 1.8 if I move that decimal place over. Okay, then what he told me that he did was he actually divided 10% by 2 to get 5%. And all you need to do is divide that by 2. So that's like $1.80. So he told me it's 90 cents. All right, but that's not where he finished. What he did was he took half of 5%. So 2.5% of 18, and again he just took half of that, so that's 90 cents. So he told me that's 45 cents. Now what he did was he didn't use this one, so I'm just going to cross it out, and he added the other one. So 10 plus 2.5 would give us 12.5%, and $1.80 plus 45 cents he said wasn't so bad either. So what he did was it came out to $2.25. So he told me that he knew now that 12.5% of 18 is 2.25. Great job. Hi, fabulous math learners. Today we're doing 12.5% of 18, and Tennille had a really great idea that I'm going to share with you today. So basically what Tennille told me that they did was they took 18 and they divided by 2 3 times. So let me show you what that looks like. So they start off with 18, which is 100%. And then they divided that into 2, right? So they got 9 and 9. So that is 50%. Then they took the 9s and they split that into 2. So that would be 4.5. 4.5, 4.5, 4.5. So that's actually 25%. But we're looking for 12.5%, so what they did was they divided by 2 once more. So this divided by 2 would be 2.25. And they said that they thought of this as like $4.50, then divided by 2 to get 2.25. Now, what you'll also notice is that this was 2 equal groups, this is 4 equal groups for 25%, and 12.5%. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another 4 coming from here, which would give them 8 equal groups. So 12.5% of 18 is 2.25. What a great idea.